Here's a carving on a couple of rocks. It says Mغارة Jeita, which is Grotto of Jeita. And as you can see here, this is the entrance where the parking lot is over there, and this is the train that takes people up to the grottos. And this is the office building where you buy tickets to visit the grotto. And this is the train that takes people from the parking lot up to the entrance. Here we are at the entrance of Jeita Grotto, and as you can see here, this is the mountains surrounding it, and this is the office here. So I went inside. It was beautiful. It's really a beautiful grotto, but we are not allowed to take any video or pictures. The Jeita Grotto, مغارة جعيتا in Arabic, is a system of two separate but interconnected limestone caves spanning an overall length about 5.5 miles, like 9 kilometers. And look at these beautiful stalactite. It's like an icicle hanging from the roof of the cave. And usually it's formed by calcium salt deposits by dripping water. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, really. When you go inside, you're gonna feel you are in a different world. It's really a wonder place to visit, and you plan on spending about a couple of hours to really enjoy it and let the sights and these beautiful icicles, if you want to call them, so it makes a beautiful visit to Jeita. Here I am at the lower grotto. The lower grotto is like about 400 meters from the upper grotto. Here is where you go to the lower grotto, where you take a boat and you discover the caves here. And the caves is about 450 meters deep. And here in the lower grotto, you'll have to take a boat in order to enjoy and discover these caves here, which is very, very, very interesting and very calm and enjoyable. I recommend everybody to visit Jeita, really. And here, as you can see here, we have the river flowing next to the grotto. And here a shop. As you can see here, they do carving. And across here, there's a garden. So we can walk inside, and it has different statues. It's really a beautiful, calm area here. As you can see, they're watering the grass. Beautiful flowers. That's very a must visit experience here, the Jeita Grotto, you know. That's really very, very quiet. You feel you are in a different world, really.